Are you looking for the best electric bikes under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best electric bikes under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Anshir 500 watts / 250 watts electric bike. The Anshir 500 watts / 250 watts electric bike is a good low-cost city or dirt road biker bike. It has 3 power modes: pedal assist, motor only and pedal only. It is available with either a 250 watt or a 500 watt motor for higher cost. This bike looks like a mountain bike but is really intended for city riding up to dirt roads or very mild trails. It does not have the power or components for true trail riding. For city riding and road riding, it does great. The front shock is soft with no damping. It does a good job of absorbing potholes and cracks in the pavement or some of the roughness of gravel roads. If you try to ride this bike on a trail with many roots and rocks, you will find the front suspension is constantly bottoming out. This bike is spec'd out similar to a $400 to $500 non-electric mountain bike. It has Shimano Tourney components. It does have disc brakes, which is a good upgrade and feature. It has 26-inch wheels with semi-knob tires. To learn more about what to expect from a $500 mountain bike, go here. One annoyance is that the brake levers are reversed. The front wheel brake is on the right handlebar and the rear brake is on the left handlebar. This is the opposite of almost every other bicycle on the market. The motor is a true 250 watt motor. The motor is a rear hub motor located inside the rear wheel. It offers decent assist and can easily move the bike on flat land up to top speed. It is not enough of a motor for steep hills or trail climbing. It has enough battery to go between 15 to 30 miles. Range depends on a variety of factors such as rider weight. At number 2, Anshir EB5 folding electric bike. The Anshir Folding 350 watts scooter electric bike is a great fun little ride. It has 350 watts combined with a lightweight, compact design. This bike has no pedal driveline. It only functions as an electric motor-powered bike. They have done good job with putting in a better motor and brakes with the money that could have gone towards a pedal driveline. It has a 350 watt rear hub motor which gives it plenty of go power. It has good acceleration and speed on flat smooth surfaces. It slows down a lot on hills, especially with heavier riders. The ride is good with pneumatic tires. The wheels are small, so it is not as smooth as a bike with 26 to 29-inch wheels. There are front and rear disc brakes for great stopping power. The motor also acts as a regenerative brake. This helps you charge the battery a little bit every time you stop. This bike has an adjustable handlebar and seat to accommodate taller riders. The handlebar also folds to make it smaller for storage. The bike only weighs 26.5 pounds with a built-in carry handle. You can carry this bike with you into the office or onto a bus or subway. The portability allows you to take this bike almost anywhere with you. There is a phone app that lets you change settings including top speed. Top speed is limited to 15 miles per hour out of the box but can be increased to 18 miles per hour in the app. The Anshir Folding 350 watts scooter electric bike is really fun to ride and one of the cheapest e-bikes available. This makes it our best value pick among the best electric bikes under $500. At number 3, Anshir 350 watts electric bike. The Anshir 350 watt Sunshine electric mountain bike is an upgraded version of their 250 watt bike. The basic bike is the same as the 250 watt version with upgraded motor, battery and controller. The bike is similar to the Anshir 250 watt mountain bike. It is a basic $400 $500 conventional mountain bike. It has Shimano Tourney driveline components and a generic, non-adjustable spring suspension fork. It has a 3x7 pedal driveline with 21 speeds. It has 26-inch wheels. To learn more about $500 mountain bikes, click here. It has the same limitations towards trail riding as any other mountain bike at that price point. The brakes are set up normally on this version of the bike with the front on the left and rear on the right handlebar. The rotors are 180mm and have enough power for stopping. The motor is a 350-watt rear hub motor. It has enough power to get to 20 miles per hour. It will only go that fast on flat smooth land and not hills. The upgraded battery can be charged on or off the bike. It has enough capacity to go 20 to 40 miles. Most users found they got between 15 to 20 miles using only motor power. The electric controller on this bike is upgraded from the 250-watt version. It only has two modes, power and unpowered. In unpowered it is a normal bike. In powered mode it has both throttle control of the motor and pedal assist active at the same time. This makes it a little more simple to ride since you do not have to worry about changing modes. You can just stop pedaling and start using the throttle. The Anchir 350-watt mountain bike is a nice upgrade over the 250-watt bike for only a little more money. This is one of the best electric bikes under $1,000 out there. At number 4, Jetson Bolt Folding Electric Bike. The Jetson Bolt Folding Electric Bike is a very fun compact little electric bike for a great price. This bike is extremely fun to ride whether commuting or just for fun. The Bolt does not have any pedal driveline. It is purely an e-bike with throttle power. There is an upgraded Bolt Pro that also has a pedal driveline and some other features for more money. The highlight of this bike is how fun it is to ride. It can go up to 18 miles per hour after you remove the speed limiter in the smartphone app. As delivered it tops out at 15 miles per hour. It has small wheels so rides more like a scooter than a traditional bike. At 18 miles per hour it will get your adrenaline going. This e-bike is powered by a 250-watt hub motor in the rear wheel. It gives you plenty of zoom on flatlands. It will struggle going up hills especially with heavier riders. If you plan on riding your e-bike somewhere with lots of hills you might consider the Bolt Pro instead. For brakes, there is one rear disc brake. It is enough to stop you but we would prefer a front and rear brake. Front brakes have more stopping power on any bike than the rear brake. We understand that compromises were made to keep the cost low on this bike and that is one of the omissions. The bike has built-in LED headlights and taillights for night riding. The taillight also acts as a brake light to let any cars nearby know you are stopping. The handlebar of the bike folds down. This bike is already very compact so it doesn't reduce the size a lot further. The feature is for those who want to use it. The bike weighs 34 pounds making it very portable. You can carry this into your office or onto public transportation to get wherever you intend to zoom around. Overall this is a great fun little zippy bike. It is one of the cheapest e-bikes out there as well. At number 5, Anchir Folding City Electric Bike. Anchir is an iconic brand in the bike industry. It's famous for some of the sturdiest and sportiest bikes the industry has seen. One such example is the Anchir Folding Electric Bike. The Anchir Folding 16'City electric bike is a perfect match for people crazy enough to ride even in rainy weather. The manufacturers incorporated the IPX5 waterproof technology in this e-bike, making it super easy to maintain in terrible weather conditions. The design of this e-bike is of the dolphin and is made using aluminium alloy frame. It is very lightweight that you can carry it with only one hand. It's also compact and should fit in small trunks without any problems. The bike has a Bluetooth system to connect to your smart device. You can monitor its speed, battery life, mileage, riding duration and even self-test on the handlebar display. As if that's not impressive enough, you can also lock the bicycle using your smartphone. There is a 36V 6R lithium battery and 350-watt motor on this bike. The battery's full charging cycle takes less than 3 hours. Its top speed range is between 20 and 25 km per hour. Lastly, there is a 1-year warranty for the charger, battery and electric motor.